I welcome all of you into my course AWS Administration. So here are some of the things which you will get in this course. I'll start with the overview of AWS Cloud, wherein I'll talk about the infrastructure and the terms being used. I'll teach you how to set up an account with Amazon and attach your credit card. In the first service, which is IAM, I'll teach you how to create users, groups, and set up MFA, that is multi-factor authentication. I'll talk about S3 and we'll do a lab on S3 wherein you learn about setting up buckets, lifecycle rules, versioning, and cross-region replication. You'll also learn about CloudWatch service, which basically monitors your expenses, and you can also set up email alerts for these. We'll talk about content delivery network, and we'll do a lab on CloudFront service wherein you learn how to use caching, which will basically reduce the delay of your site which is hosted at geographically far location. You will learn about creating a static website and hosting on the Amazon cloud. Then we'll move towards the most important topics, which is EC2, Elastic Compute Cloud. We'll do a lab on how to set it up, how to create EC2 instance, how to enable the options, and how to access it via PETI and through remote desktop. And there would be many more labs which I will be adding every week. Friends, I have worked with some of the most amazing and innovative IT companies in the world. So good thing is that you're going to get all these things in the most structured and refined way. So here are some of my other courses, and I suggest you see the previews of my courses and see what students are talking about. And I take care of feedbacks and reviews very seriously and check almost daily. So in case there is any question or any clarification required, always send me a text message. I'll try to jump on it as soon as possible. So see you there in the course.